Forta PRO is a European manufacturer of modular buildings, from hotels and apartments to clinical building, student accommodation, office spaces, and more. Our modern factories and production lines are located in Latvia's main harbor area, providing perfect shipment capabilities. Forta PRO was recently approached by a large UK-based property developer to build a luxury apartment building at the heart of London. The new building is situated in a unique location, Woolwich, a district of southeast London that has been part of the London metropolitan area since the 19th century.
Hello everyone, my name is Jānis Ploks. I'm Senior Architect in Forta PRO. I'm happy to announce that right now we have completed the first residential building in UK. Very important client, challenging issues, but we did it in very high quality. So actually you are welcome to visit us in Woolwich Royal Arsenal, building B11.
Huge glass panels draw in natural light and present a bold contrast to the incredible detail of the original building. All building details were created using 3D visualization. Our engineers and architects worked in collaboration with executive local team to coordinate the works and design. To provide high-quality design solutions, Forta first produced a mock-up module with all interior elements, which were in turn tested and approved by the client teams prior to production. Production of the modules took place in our Ventspils factory. The linear production line provides highest work efficiency and quality control inspections at each stage. All the technical elements were produced in strict accordance with British standards. Plumbing, water, and electrical systems were tested and protocoled before the packing. One of the most important client's tasks was module protection during transportation. Each module was covered with a temporary roof, carefully packed and sealed with special protection foil. Shipping from our Ventspils factory, located in harbor area, is a breeze. From Ventspils to London in just one day. Careful module installation in the historical area with minimum disturbance and risks. Works on site were done in parallel to reduce the total time of construction. Brick cladding facade, clean lines, and crafted interiors match the architecture and keeps the historical presence of the area. The outcome of the project is spectacular. High standards, perfect quality, all rooms and interiors were completed in the factory. The client interior designers have composed spaces in elegant materials. Quality, speed, cost are all part of the game in modular construction. With our latest addition to the scenery of London, we are very proud. Forta PRO. We build modular apartments.